The Python programming language has over 60 built-in functions to help you code more efficiently. In this video, we will discuss the functions exec. Hi Python enthusiasts! In today's video, we're diving into Python's exec function, a built-in tool that lets you execute dynamically created Python code. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it does, when to use it, and why you should handle it with care. Let's get started. First, what is exec? The exec function dynamically executes Python code, which can include entire statements, blocks, or even function definitions. Here's the syntax. The object argument is a string or code object containing Python code to execute. Globals is an optional dictionary defining the global scope for the execution. And locals provides an optional dictionary defining the local scope for the execution. Why use the exec function? It's useful for dynamically generating and executing Python code at runtime. Here are the key concepts. Unlike eval, exec can execute full Python statements, including loops, function definitions, and class declarations. It provides control over the execution environment using globals and locals. But you need to be cautious. Executing untrusted code with exec is a significant security risk. You might use exec when dynamically creating Python code during runtime, you're loading and executing scripts or configurations from external sources in controlled environments, or you're writing metaprogramming or developer tools that manipulate Python code. However, for most cases, there are safer and more structured alternatives. Let's start with a simple example where exec executes a Python code block. Here, the code block is passed as a string to exec, and it's executed like a normal Python script. The exec function can also define functions dynamically. In this example, exec dynamically defines a greet function, which we can call like any other function. You can control the scope of execution using the globals and locals parameters. Let's see how. Here, x is defined in the global scope, and the result of the execution y is stored in the local scope. The exec function can execute compiled code objects too. Let's see an example. By compiling code with compile first, you can execute it using exec. This approach is useful for advanced scenarios. There are a few things to keep in mind when using exec. It is a security risk. Never use exec with untrusted input, as it can execute a malicious code. It's slower compared to predefined code, so use it sparingly. And in most cases, structured alternatives like functions or classes are safer and more maintainable. And that's the exec function. To recap, it executes dynamically created Python code. It's powerful, but should be used with caution due to security risks. Always prefer safer alternatives unless dynamic execution is absolutely necessary. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Python tips. Happy coding!